Belina me ke aloha. It's Kumu Maile coming to you from Kahalehoaka, the island of Molokaʻi. And today's MANAʻo Monday ʻŌlelo Noʻeau is I ka ʻŌlelo no keola, I ka ʻŌlelo no kamake. And what that means is in the language there is life, in the language there is death. Traditionally, long ago, when the kahuna still practiced a lot of their sorcery, they had kahuna that could actually chant people to death and chant them back to life. And so that's where this ʻŌlelo Noʻeau comes from. But it can also be interpreted as the ʻŌlelo, the language of our people, is the very life, the very heart of who we are. And that's why it's so important for us to hoʻomau I ka ʻŌlelo, to continue our language, so we can better understand our homes and ourselves. Another interpretation is through cruel words. You can literally make someone sick. You can bring them mental illness. You can make their bodies physically sick, break down their very cellular makeup of their body. So it's so important to use positive words. So let's say it all together. Ma kākou, ʻaʻoia. I ka ʻŌlelo no keola, I ka ʻŌlelo no kamake. Maikaʻi loa. If you're from Hawaii or you are Kanaka Maoli, you probably have heard the phrase "E ola ka ʻŌlelo Hawaii." And what that translates to is the Hawaiian language will thrive on forever. And it's just a positive affirmation to strengthen our movement of our language, to revive our language and our people. And it's just a beautiful way to express how important our ʻŌlelo Hawaii is to our people and to our ʻāina of Hawaii. So let's say it all together. E ola I ka ʻŌlelo Hawaii. Maikaʻi, one more time, hana ho. ʻaʻoia. E ola I ka ʻŌlelo Hawaii. Woo! Maikaʻi. Ahui ho, malama.